Thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Brandon Taylor. Amber is off. Tonight, a Dane County judge rules independent presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s name will stay on the November ballot. The judge said constitutional and state laws outweigh Kennedy's claims that his rights were violated. Political reporter Dariel Fair is live with us right now from the Dane County courthouse, where the judge just explained his decision late this afternoon. Dariel.
Brandon, this ruling could make a difference in what has become a tight race here in Wisconsin between Vice President Kamala Harris and former President Donald Trump. Wisconsin is now the third key swing state to make a court decision addressing Robert F. Kennedy's ballot status, including Michigan and North Carolina, as Republicans attempt to garner support among his base.
The bottom line here is that Mr. Kennedy has no one to blame but himself if he didn't want to be on the ballot.
The judge was originally set to make his decision sometime Tuesday, but decided due to the urgency of this case that a ruling needed to be made a lot sooner.
There is no constitutional right to have your name removed from a ballot after you voluntarily submitted your nomination papers with full knowledge that the statutes don't allow you to withdraw your name.
The judge stating that a majority of county clerks across the state had already sent their ballots for printing. Kennedy ended his bid for the White House in late August and filed a lawsuit against the Wisconsin Elections Commission for keeping his name on the ballot. In the suit, Kennedy asked the court to approve a request that would have required county and municipal clerks to cover his name with stickers instead of reprinting ballots ahead of November. Kennedy's attorney arguing that without ballots already being printed and sent out, voter confusion or the feasibility of placing those stickers does not trump Kennedy's constitutional rights.
The court and the petitioner have the right to know what sort of testing has been done that these problems would exist. Did you run 100 through and 10 were rejected? Well, that becomes a big deal, right? But if you ran 100 through and none of them had any problems, then it's not a big deal. If you ran 1,000 through and you didn't have any problems.
Attorneys representing the Wisconsin Elections Commission saying the action is simply too great of a burden on election clerks.
It is impossible for these county clerks and municipal clerks to meet their federal and state deadlines.
The deadlines for county and municipal clerks to print and distribute those ballots is September 19th. Now the Kennedy campaign is likely to appeal today's decision. His name has successfully been removed from the ballot in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Nevada. Live in Madison, Dariel Fair, 27 News.